Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. So we had learned earlier in the video the names of the family members, some of which we had learned and some are still remaining. So now we start learning the rest. Okay. First is la tante. La tante. Okay, which means aunt or we can say auntie. Okay. La tante. After that, l'oncle. L'oncle. Okay. We use L apostrophe before oncle. Why? Because O is a vowel, and if we have vowel in front of any article, then L and La becomes L apostrophe, right? So that's why we use L apostrophe with oncle. Okay. Okay. So this becomes l'oncle. And l'oncle means uncle. Okay. L'oncle. After that, un cousin. Un cousin. Okay. If we have a cousin who is male, so we use cousin. Okay. Un cousin. C-O-U-S-I-N. Okay. This spelling is used for male one. And after that, okay, in cuisine. In cuisine. Okay, cuisine is used for female cousin. Okay, if we have a cousin who is female, then we use in cuisine. There's a difference between spellings. Okay, male one में जो spelling है वो क्या है COUSIN and female one में जो spelling है वो है COUSINE. Okay, we just add E in the cuisine because of female, because of feminine. Okay, in cuisine, which is female cousin. After that, la nièce. La nièce. Okay, nièce means niece. Okay, niece. La nièce. Now, le neveu. Le neveu. Okay, which means nephew. Le neveu. Nephew. ठीक है. After that, Jumeau. Jumeau. And Jumeau means twins. Okay, twins, but both are male. Okay, if we have twins and who are male, okay, both of them, twins brother or twins brother, so we use Jumeau. Okay, and for twin sister we use Jumeau. Okay, Jumeau and Jumeau. So Jumeau is used for twin sister. ठीक है, Jumeau. Now, okay, so now le cadet. Le cadet. Okay, which means younger member in the family. Okay, is someone who is younger in the family, we call le cadet, and cadet is used for male and la cadette is used for female one. ठीक है, le cadet and la cadette. Okay, la cadette. And the next one is l'aîné. L'aîné. Okay, which means eldest son. L'aîné. ठीक है, and l'aîné, okay, with E means eldest daughter. ठीक है, for eldest son we use l'aîné, which spelling is L apostrophe A E N and O with accent. ठीक है, for eldest daughter we use मतलब spelling is L apostrophe A I N and E with add one more E. ठीक है, because of female. So l'aîné and l'aîné, pronunciation is same in the both cases. ठीक है, l'aîné. So nous répétons une fois. That means we repeat one more time. nous répétons une fois. Ok? La tante. La tante. L'oncle. L'oncle. Un cousin. Un cousin. Une cousine. Une cousine. Le neveu. Le neveu. La nièce. La nièce. Jumeau. Jumeau. Jumelle. Jumelle. Le cadet. Le cadet. La cadette. La cadette. L'aîné, and last one is also l'aîné. Okay. Now learn our post-marriage relationships. Okay. After marriage, we had relationships. So what we call them? La belle-mère. La belle-mère. Okay, which means mother-in-law. La belle-mère. After that, le beau-père. Le beau-père. Father-in-law. Okay, le beau-père. After that, la belle-sœur. La belle-sœur. Okay, which means sister-in-law. La belle-sœur. Sœur means sister, so that means sister-in-law. That le beau-frère. Le beau-frère. Okay, which means brother-in-law. Le beau-frère. After that, le beau-fils. Le beau-fils, which means son-in-law. Le beau-fils. La belle-fille. La belle-fille. Okay, which means daughter-in-law. So répétez vite. La belle-mère. Le beau-père. Okay. La belle-sœur. Le beau-frère. Le beau-fils. And last, la belle-fille. Okay. Here we use beau and belle. That doesn't means belle means beautiful and beau means handsome. So that doesn't means that we use beau and belle for handsome and beautiful. No, it means we use for in-laws. Okay. If we have in-laws, then we use beau and belle with according to the gender, masculine and feminine. With masculine we use beau and with feminine we use belle. Okay, so that doesn't mean beautiful and handsome. So keep in mind this point. Okay, so this is complete with all your relationships in French. Okay, within the topic family members. Please subscribe, like and share this video more and more. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.